Hello and a very warm welcome from everybody here at A&T Specialist Cars in Leeds. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I'm more than confident you will find it useful. I have the absolute pleasure and delight to be showing you around and demonstrating some of the features of this beautiful 2017 67 plate Jaguar F-Pace D180 R-Sport. Superb specification, as I've said, a 67 plate, but only covered just over 20,500 miles, backed up with full service history and a specification to match. Now I must start with arguably the best colour for me, the Corris Grey Metallic Paint work. To contrast that, we do have the black roof rails and the privacy glass from the B pillar backwards. Really is a superb vehicle, and we've yet to get started on some of the extra specification. So without any further ado, I'll take us to the inside of the vehicle. Finished with the full ebony leather upholstery with a contrast white stitching, and if I continue panning upwards, a sliding panoramic glass sunroof. Really does brighten up the cabin, makes it a pleasurable place to be. As we just jump in, just verify that mileage there at just 20,577 miles. Continue, select the seats. We have 3-stage heated seats for both driver and passenger. A reversing camera with guidance lines. Cruise control with speed limiter and dual climate control. Really is a superb vehicle. It's been very well looked after. It's in fantastic condition and a pleasure to have in stock here at A&T Specialist Cars Leeds. So for any further information, please contact our award-winning sales team. Please follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and for any further information, we look forward to speaking to you soon to see if we can do some business. Thank you for watching.